Hi guys, this is your channel host Vignesh for channel Fit More Tech. So in today's vlog we are going to download the Windows 7 USB DVD tool to burn OS in the empty USB disk available over here. So we are going to change this USB disk as a bootable one. For that we need to download the software. So I'll be just pasting this link where you can just find that software. I think it's over here. You can just click this link and you can just download the software and install it up. After installation, if you click this software, it will be looking like this. So you need to click browse and you can just search for the file, that is the ISO file. I'll just show you as an example now. So this is the ISO file guys. After downloading the OS from torrent or anywhere, you can just find it like this. You can boot any softwares like Windows 7, Windows 8.1 or Windows 10 by using the software. So I'll browse. So I've got that file, so I'll be clicking in it and I will click this and click open, so that it has been come over here. The destination folder is available over here, so I will click next and I will select the USB device, not the DVD, and here is the device being shown as 28.6 GB. You can use from 8 GB guys, because now the software is above 8 GB. So after then click begin copying. So you need to erase all the information. So if you have any contents in the drive, please do take it off. Okay, then click erase USB device and it will also ask confirmation again. So you need to click it yes, so that the burning process will start. Wait for some time for the process to be completed. So guys, the process is over now. Now the device has been become as bootable. So you can just install the software in any other PCs without any issues. So I think that this video would have been helpful for you, and please do like, share and comment down below.